How to care Granite Countertops and Onyx Countertops. Dear friends, any countertop of natural stone requires care and maintenance to last longer and keep its color. Like other stones, granite requires regular cleaning using stone cleaners and has to be sealed to avoid staining. However, the material is dense and might not require regular sealing. Granite is the best material to use as a kitchen countertop because it withstands heat and uses force knives and cutleries. You can also install them on bar tops and in bathrooms since they accommodate stains. Nevertheless, to maintain them longer, you need to avoid acids and kinds of vinegar on them. Onyx is more fragile than granite and can easily be scratched by cutleries, kitchen pots, cleaning detergents, and acids. Care and maintenance should be taken and, if possible, be installed in low traffic or fewer usage areas. Such areas include bathrooms and bar tops, which aren't most frequented. It is best used to complement these places due to its changing color and veins. It would help if you avoided staining by keeping off the toothpaste, food spills, and glass moisture. Such should be wiped quickly if spilled to avoid staining the surfaces. You also need to maintain the surfaces by resealing them regularly. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.